Hey everyone! So you're looking to jump into the EOS ecosystem? Well, you have come to exactly the right place. Today, we're going to walk through step by step how to create your very first account using AtomicHub. Okay, let's get right into it. All right, first things first, let's get the big question out of the way, because this is probably the thing that trips everybody up right at the start. You keep hearing EOS, but then you see the word Vaulta. So, what's the deal? Yeah, the answer is actually pretty simple. The EOS network went through a rebrand, and it's now called Vaulta. You're going to see both names all over the place, sometimes even on the same website. Don't let it confuse you. They both mean the same ecosystem. So here's the bottom line. Just focus on the steps we're about to go through, not the name on the label. The underlying technology, the process for creating your account, it's all exactly the same. Okay, so where do we start this whole journey? We're going to kick things off at AtomicHub. And you might be asking, why there? Well, it's just one of the easiest, most user-friendly ways to get into this world. It's perfect for beginners, and it helps us skip a lot of the really technical stuff. Okay, so once you're on the AtomicHub website, look up. See that big orange button in the top right corner? The one that says Create Wallet? Yep, that's where we're headed. Give that a click. Now you're going to see a couple of different wallet options. For this explainer, since we're setting things up on a desktop, we're going to go with Anchor Wallet. It's super popular in the community, and it really holds your hand through the process. So let's go ahead and pick that one. Step 1 is a breeze. Seriously, you just have to agree to AtomicHub's terms and conditions. Just check that little box and hit Next. And next up, you've got a classic CAPTCHA. You know the drill. This is just a quick check to prove you're a human and not some bot trying to create a bunch of accounts. Just get that done, and we'll move on. All right, we're officially done with the browser part, for now. The next step takes us over to the Anchor app itself. This is where we'll actually finish creating the wallet. You'll see a button that says Launch Anchor on this device. Go ahead and click that. Your browser's going to pop up a little message asking if it's okay to open the Anchor Wallet app. Just hit Approve or Allow, and the app should just pop right up. Okay, this is the fun part. You get to pick your own unique account name. Now, there are a couple of little rules to follow. It has to be all lowercase letters, and if you use numbers, it can only be the numbers 1 through 5. And here's a cool little quirk. Every account made this way automatically ends with .gm. All right, before you hit the big button, you get this final confirmation screen. Just take a quick second to look it over. The main thing you want to check is that the network says EOS. If that all looks right, you're good to go. Click that big blue Create button. Now, Anchor is going to ask for the password that you set up when you first installed it. This is just you giving it permission to create the account on the blockchain. So type that in, click Authorize, and you'll see a little loading animation. It's doing its thing in the background. This should only take a few seconds. And boom, success. Just like that, your account is live. It officially exists on the EOS blockchain. That's awesome, right? But wait, hold on. Do not close anything yet. We are not done. And what comes next is, without a doubt, the most important part of this whole thing. Okay, listen up, because I really can't say this enough. You have to back up your account. This isn't just a suggestion, it's a must-do. Your security, your ability to ever get your account back if something goes wrong, it all comes down to what we do right now. Yeah, just let that sink in for a second. Backups are often the only thing standing between you and losing access to your account permanently. If your computer dies, this is it. This is your lifeline. So, back in the Anchor app, you'll see 2 green buttons, Print Certificate and Save Certificate. Click one of them to generate your backup file. Honestly, I do both. Save the digital file somewhere super secure, like an encrypted USB drive, and print out a physical copy. Okay, the wallet's now showing you 6 words. These are your encryption keywords. I need you to stop what you're doing and physically write these down, like with a pen on that certificate you just printed. Don't take a screenshot, don't type it in a text file, write them down now. These 6 words are the keys to the kingdom. And to make absolutely sure you didn't make a typo, the wallet is now going to quiz you. It'll ask you to put the words back in the right order. This isn't just to be annoying, it's a really smart safety check to make sure your backup is 100% correct. Okay, backup complete. Now think of this certificate and those 6 words as the master key to your digital vault. You have to keep it secret and keep it safe. Don't ever take a picture of it with your phone. Don't show it to anybody. Treat it like it's gold. All right, the serious part is over. Phew. Now for the fun part, the payoff. Let's go and actually see your new account live on the blockchain for everyone to see. So how do we do that? We use something called a block explorer. A good one is called Vaulta Scan. All you have to do is go to their website, type in that cool account name you just created, the one ending in .gm, and hit search. So how do we do that? We use something called a block explorer. A good one is called Vaulta Scan. All you have to do is go to their website, type in that cool account name you just created, the one ending in .gm, and hit search. And there it is. That's you. Your account is officially on-chain. How cool is that? Congratulations. And that's it. We went from a bit of confusion over some names all the way to having a brand new, fully backed up live account on the blockchain. You've officially taken your first big step into this whole Web3 world. So now there's really only one question left. What are you going to do with it?